In this video I'll be telling you how to fix your USB ports not working on the Windows 11. So let's begin. First of all, you'll have to go to search and then type in device manager in the search bar. You'll have to click on the first option. Now you'll have to go to the bottom and then expand the USB controllers option. Now you'll have to click on the last option, right click on it and then click on properties. Over here you'll have to go to power management, click on it and then uncheck this option over here. Make sure this box over here is unchecked and then click on OK. Now if that doesn't work, you'll have to click on the first option over here, USB 3.1 extensible host controller, and then right click on it, update driver. Now you'll have to search automatically for drivers. If the best drivers are already installed, then what you can do is that you can again right click uninstall device and then you'll have to wait for it to uninstall. As you can see, it says to restart your computer. After this you'll have to click on no and then you'll have to scan for hardware changes by clicking on this icon over here, and then you'll have to restart your computer after clicking this. Close this, restart your computer and your problem should be solved. For more similar videos you can subscribe to our channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.